news coming in from Uttar Pradesh, where a crucial cabinet expansion is likely today evening. In fact, 6 to 7 names could be included in Yogi Adityanath's cabinet. Well, let's go across to Alok for all the details. So, Alok, what are you hearing?
Well, I first of all am getting a sense of deja vu, Kaji, frankly, because this has gone on for 2 months now. And each time there is this khabar ki bhai aaj hoga, kal hoga, hone hi wala hai, and then it does not happen. But today we have been told, by those who know, who are in the know of things, that it is likely to happen today evening, around 6 p.m. is what we are told. And that 6 to 7 new ministers are likely to be inducted. Of course, this is more than an administrative exercise, as you and I and our viewers will already understand, Gargi, because we are just 6 months or less than 6 months away from state assembly elections. So it's not like the new ministers are going to dive into administrative work and, perform as ministers. That's not the expectation. I think what the BJP and the government and Yogi Adityanath and the BJP think tank in Delhi will try to do is to balance caste and community equations and to give representation to these caste and community equations in Uttar Pradesh. Because as we know, they are absolutely significant when it comes to elections in a state like UP. We've heard at least 2 names who seem to be common names flashing across a lot of news channels and on Twitter, so I can take those names. One of them is Jitin Prasad. As we know, he was a Congress leader, he was the Brahmin face of the Congress party. Now he's in the BJP, and one has heard that he's likely to be inducted into the cabinet. The other person who we've heard about from multiple sources is Sanjay Nishad. Sanjay Nishad is the chief of the Nishad party. If you remember, around 2018, if I'm not wrong, there was a by-election in Gorakhpur. At that point of time, the Nishad party was not a BJP ally. And his son, Sanjay Nishad, had defeated the BJP candidate from Gorakhpur on a seat that was vacated by Yogi Adityanath. And then, of course, later you had a situation where Sanjay Nishad and the Nishad party allied with the BJP, and Sanjay Nishad fought the 2019 Lok Sabha. Praveen Nishad, his son, fought the 2019 Lok Sabha polls on the BJP ticket from the Eastern UP Sant Kabirnagar seat. So that's the history. And Sanjay Nishad, of course, closer to the polls, has been demanding that he be made a minister. He's been a little vocal about it. There is talk that he'll also be nominated as a member of the Legislative Council in Uttar Pradesh. There are others who we've heard about, but I'll not take their names because one does wish that, the Raj Bhavan of somebody will provide some more confirmation before we can take more names. So far, nobody has gone on record to say all this, but we are hearing that it's very likely that this expansion of the UP cabinet is going to take place this evening.
All right, Alok, thanks so much for joining us. So after days and days of speculation, finally it seems imminent that today evening the expansion of the UP cabinet will take place.